Hello, this is Shashi from MMP Filtrations, Chemtech Expo Goregaon 2026. Today we have a very important customer, Mr. Jairam Iyer from Jal Rasayan Corporation. He is using our filter cartridges for very long. So, sir, thank you so much for your valuable time, sir. We just want to know, as you using our filter cartridges, different type wound and melt blondes. So, how you look good about these filter cartridges?
Mr. Shashi, it is really a pleasure to see you meet you at this venue. In fact, we were always been associated with MMP for a very long time, and today I had an opportunity to come to your stall and just see the range of products what you have. It's quite amazing because we always thought the one what we have been buying from you is the conventional one. That is this kind of cartridge filter with this kind of a housing.
You
The
are buying
PP
PP housing,
PP housing.
small size.
Yes. But here I could see that we could even replace the metallic housing,
SS housing.
with SS housings, with a cost effective, which has the same robust nature of stainless steel, and can be conveniently used. It looks quite attractive also. So I think this is the best thing what you have launched, and it's only a matter of how people, the number of people would really have a chance to interact with you. This is going to be the new kind of filters that will be launched in the market. The colors are also very attractive, and this would give a very good outlook for the RO plant, where you have most of the pressure tubes made up of which is in what do you call FRP
Yes.
FRP vessels. Along with that, this will definitely give you a good kind of an ambience.
Just we want to understand that the look wise is very good. How it's a single molded or anything which you want?
Yes.
Just I want to update you. This is single molded.
Yes, that was one of those apprehensions I had because we have very high pressures also in some cases where an ordinary plastic this thing cannot take that kind of a load. Here I could see it's a single piece, it's molded, so it's seamless. So I think this will be able to withstand that kind of operating pressures also.
Sir, just want to. We will share you the video also where we have tested this PPH housing in 8 kg pressures, 8 bar pressures, which will work very perfectly. That's also shared with you, and is also mentioned in upper side of this PPH housing that will work on 8 bar pressures.
Normally, for water treatment, the pressure doesn't exceed more than 5. So we operate only at around 5 to 6 kgs.
But
So
back
the-
pressure,
Yeah. But then I
back
think
pressure is there.
back pressure is there. In case if it gets choked up over a period of time, if you don't replace it, it can exert a pressure. So in that case, I think this would be the most viable option, attractive option for water treatment.
Thank you, sir. One more last, not the list questions. Sir, already you are using our filter cartridges for wound and Melbourne all. Sir, how you think good about these filter cartridges?
Yeah. More than the wound cartridges, more than the spun cartridges, I found this wound cartridges to be more effective because the dirt load, it can easily take more dirt load, and the water quality remains very consistent. So this provides more surface area. So I think that is the best thing.
And sir, what is the micron efficiency you are getting from by using our filter cartridges? Is the any particle is passing when you are selecting any particular micron, like 5 micron, 10 microns? So are you in your experience by using our filter cartridges? Have you been experienced that any particle is passing from the filters, or it will be already being arrested by our filters?
The main thing for RO plant is the RO membrane has a pore size of 0.001 micron. So in that case, you need to have a very good filtration system. Yes. So here I could see it gives me less than 3. What is the unit? Turbidity. PSS. Yes. So that gives me a consistent value. So that is one of the reasons it is not fouling our membrane, and we are still going strong with MMP.
Mr. Iyer, thank you so much for your valuable input, sir.
No,
It's
it's always-
really very important for us, and we are going to put it in our website also to showcase your inputs. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is Shashi. Again, we come here for a very good feedback. Mr. Mr. Rajkumar ji, and he is from Kaiser Technology Pune. ये अपने फिल्टर्स स्टॉल पे पहली बार आए हैं. सो इन्होंने ये बस यहाँ से जा रहे थे और फिर इन्होंने हमारा फिल्टर्स देखा और देखने के बाद इनको अच्छा लगा. तो मैं इनसे कुछ फीडबैक लेना चाहूँगा एयर फिल्टर्स में कि उनको कैसा लगा ये फिल्टर्स देख के.
ओके, फिल्टर्स देख के मेरा ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या है, जो प्लीट्स है उसका वो यूनिक डिस्टेंस पे है, जो हमें पहले जिससे परचेस कर रहे थे उस वैसा हमें नहीं दिखा. तो एक जो यूनिक डिस्टेंस है. देन दूसरा वर्कमैनशिप, जो टॉप कनेक्शन और बॉटम कनेक्शन बिल्कुल सही है इनका. ओके, दूसरा जो अटैचमेंट जो किया है और अल्ट्रासोनिक जो वेल्डिंग किया है वो बिल्कुल सही है.
अच्छा, दूसरा सर ये जो एंड वेल्डिंग भी हमारा आपको यहाँ पे जो आपको कैसा लगा?
यस यस, बेसिकली ये हमें जहाँ से लिया है हमने, तो हमें कभी देखा ही नहीं. आज पहली बार आपके स्टॉल में है, आपके प्लेटेड बैग को जो लगा देखा हमने, तो अच्छा किया है. मतलब अच्छा स्ट्रॉन्गनेस आएगा इसमें. जब पल्सिंग होगा तो बैग खुलेगा नहीं.
तो अब बाय लुक वाइज आपका हमारे कार्ट्रिजेज और प्लेटेड बैग्स कैसे लग रहे हैं?
एक्चुअली लुक वाइज देख के मैं यहाँ पे आया.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, आपका बहुत बहुत अच्छा फीडबैक. होपफुली हम कुछ अच्छा करेंगे आपके लिए, और जो भी नए डिजाइन फिटमेंट्स रिलेटेड जो भी नए डिजाइन रहेंगे मैं डेफिनेटली आपको शेयर करूंगा. थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम सर. थैंक यू सो मच.